guys, so today I'm doing a review of these dried peaches. I got these on sale for Black Friday, so they're on Amazon here. So here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients, of course. It does contain sulfites in this one. So there are some that don't have sulfites, but this one was on sale, so that's probably why. So anyways, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. All right, so here we go. It smells pretty good. And do a quick test. Grab one here. Oh, they're kind of sticky. There it is. Ooh, they're nice and soft. There's no sugar added to it. And they are nice and soft. Pretty good texture too. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Pretty good.